everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm so glad to have you here with me today. I want to thank you for watching, and for those of you who are new, do me a favor and go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below, and do click that notification bell because that will let you know when I've uploaded a video. I hope this gives you a little motivation and inspiration to clean your home today. So if you're ready to tackle that mess with me, let's get started. Hey guys, my name is Jessica Savage, mom of 3, and I hope you like this clean with me. Alright, what I'm going to use here is a product from Grove Collaborative. This isn't sponsored by them. I just had to show y'all how great this stuff is. It's an all-purpose spray, antibacterial, and it has such a great smell, and it really cleans off all the dirt and the grime from the counters. Okay, I have a quick question. How do y'all get the dirt off of the ring of the sink on the outside? I feel like it's embedded in the sink, so with that, it's impossible for me to clean. So if you guys have any ideas, let me know in the comments below. As y'all seen from the first sink, I like to gather everything and just stick it in one spot. That way it's quick and easy for me to start cleaning, and then I can put it back where it goes. Y'all, this deodorant right here is the best deodorant ever. It's from Native. This isn't sponsored by them. I just had to share that it is paraben free, aluminum free, and sulfate free. And it smells so good, and it works. Alright guys, as y'all can see, I have poor storage. I don't have enough of it, so that explains a lot of the clutter that I have left in certain areas, but now doing this extreme clean, I'm able to clear it out and take care of it. On top of that, I have all this clutter because I used to be a couponer. So when you could get a good deal for a good price, you want to stock up on it. So in the near future, we're hoping to renovate this bathroom and completely change it from the countertop sinks to the cabinets to the garden tub area and the shower. You will see it all. Everyone say hello to the pretty kitty Zelda. I didn't realize she had looked into the camera until I was editing this video. She's such a clown, but she is so loving at the same time. I didn't realize the time, so my kids had came in and told me dinner was ready, as then I was trying to get all of this stuff off of the floor. They were willing to help me and to take what needed to be put in the donation pile, put in laundry, and just get it all organized. As y'all will see throughout the video, I'll be sticking different stuff in certain plastic bags. This is where I like to donate what I don't use anymore, or I switched out a product. I like to give to those families who are in need. Well, I had to stop for today, or tonight. The time got away from me so fast. So I only got the bathroom partially done, hoping to start bright and early tomorrow. So I'm gonna take a bath. So I'll see y'all tomorrow. You guys want to see who's playing in our donation box? Getting ready for the day. Checked up on a few emails. My son's getting ready for school, or actually he should be leaving right now. And then my youngest is up. He's calling me right now. Just wanted to let you know that we're gonna go ahead and get back on the bathroom today, and then hopefully we can get the rest of the chores done today. Y'all, this is real life. Whose trash can in their bathroom overflows like this? I swear, it gets full so quick. I don't know how it gets full so quick, but this is not edited. This is real life.
Small town, big crowd, and there you were in front of me. Small talk, big thoughts, all we wanted was to escape. This sounds too small for dreams like this. Don't wanna settle down, don't wanna miss out on adventures, things we haven't seen. Take my hand and follow me.
Okay guys, what I have here is a method product from Grove Collaborative. It's the Antibacteral Toilet Bowl Cleaner. I love this stuff because, as y'all know from my other videos, I don't like using harsh chemicals. This stuff works great. I'll be sure to leave a link in my description box below for all the products I had mentioned in this video so far. This right here that I'm using to clean the toilet is the Clorox ToiletWand, and it has a disposable head, which I love. You don't have to mess with that nasty toilet bowl brush anymore. All you do is clean the bowl as much as you can to where you're satisfied, and then when you're done, you take this little lever, you push the blue button, and it falls right off into the trash can.
Adventures, things we haven't seen. Take my hand and follow me.
Y'all heard of Miss Meyers? Well, this stuff is great. Grove Collaborative sells a lot of this stuff, and what I'm using here is a surface scrub for the garden tub. It does wonders and really breaks up all the dirt on the bottom of the tub or the bottom of your shower. Alright guys, I have a few questions. As you can see, there is so much space around this garden tub. So much empty space. And I need some ideas on what we can fill it with. My husband and I were thinking plants, along with a little bit of farmhouse decor to match our theme. And then of course, you've seen the walls. They're completely empty. So we need some picture frames and a few other stuff to make it cozy in there. So if y'all have any ideas, let me know in the comments below. Oh my god, y'all, isn't that the scariest thing that you've ever seen? This looks horrible. How embarrassing if someone were to come in and use our bathroom. But it pretty much shows that the previous owners never cleaned their shower. So when my husband and I bought it in 2017, there was a bit of work that needed to be done to it, and little by little, as you can see, we're trying to take care of that. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and use the Mrs. Meyers Lavendar surface scrub again. After I had soaked up the shower door and the track with water, I'm going to sprinkle this stuff so it can soak real good into the dirty areas. I apologize for my camera angles for this shower. This shower is pretty small, so I have to clean it in certain ways just to make sure I'm not blocking your view or just trying to make the most of it while I clean. Okay, now that we've let the surface scrub sit in the track of the shower, I'm taking this wire metal brush to scrub off all the dirt.
Let's get some sun, baby, it's time to go. All we need to put on is the radio.
last but not least, I have the Method Glass and Surface Cleaner. This stuff works great, and I love how it just cleans off all the smudges and the prints from the mirror. I bet y'all were wondering who I was talking to through the mirror there. My husband had actually came home from work and asked if I was recording, and I told him yes, I was. Then I asked him if he wanted to join me. He said nope.
Let's hit the club, time to make a move, we got it late, ain't got nothing to prove, I can feel the heat is rising, and that beat is hypnotizing.
Okay guys, well that's it for today. As you can see, some areas were a little harder to clean than others, but I did the best that I can to make it as good as it looks. Appreciate you watching and sticking through this video with me. Remember, for those of you who are new, don't forget to subscribe and click that notification bell down below, and I will see you guys right back here again with a brand new video. Bye.